welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. In today's video, I'm going to show you a skin tightening facial wash. Now this facial wash can be used double. It can be used as a facial mask and also as a facial wash. So you can use it to exfoliate yourself as a wash, and you can use it as a facial mask by applying it to your skin and leave it on your skin. So if you're looking for a quick and easy way to get your skin looking fresh, radiant and glowing, follow me to the kitchen. I'll show you the recipe and I'll also show you how to use it on your skin for best results. Now, to make our natural skin brightening facial wash, the first ingredient is potato. What I'm going to do is to extract the potato juice. So you want to peel the potato. The next step after peeling is to grate the potato. Now, if you do not have a grater, you can choose to blend the potato. Now, potato contains skin brightening properties that will help to get rid of dark spots and blemishes on the skin. Once the potato is peeled and grated, we are going to extract the potato juice. I'm using a strainer. However, you can go ahead and you can use a cheesecloth or any other method you have to extract the juice. And take a look. Here we have our fresh potato juice, and now we're going to put this to the side and we're going to reach for our second ingredient. Our second ingredient is aloe vera gel. So I'm going to use about 2 ounces of aloe vera leaf and I'm going to extract the gel. Once you extract the gel, place it in your blender and take a look. Here we have our fresh aloe vera gel. Now we're going to be blending. Do not add any water to this, just blend as is. And after blending, guys, here we have our fresh aloe vera gel. So at this stage, we have aloe vera gel, we have potato juice, and take a look at our third ingredient. Our third ingredient is lemon, and we're using the lemon for its vitamin C properties. Lemon will help to clear the skin of hyperpigmentation. However, it will always help to get rid of oily skin, and it will help to clean those pores out, causing them to shrink. So I'm going to just extract the lemon juice, and we only need about a tablespoon of the lemon juice. Now if you have sensitive skin, use half teaspoon lemon juice and 1 teaspoon of water for this recipe. Now once we extract the lemon juice, you're going to make sure to get rid of the lemon seeds. Once this is done, take a look. Here we have our fresh lemon juice. So now we have lemon juice, we have potato juice, and we also have aloe vera gel. So let's put this together. Once we reach back for our potato juice, you want to make sure to give it a stir since the starch will be settled in the bottom. We're using our 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and we're pouring 2 tablespoons of the potato juice in the bowl with the lemon juice. And next, guys, we are going to reach for our aloe vera gel. We're also stirring our aloe vera gel. We're using 2 tablespoons of the fresh aloe vera gel, pouring this in the bowl with the potato and the lemon juice. And now, guys, we are going to mix all 3 ingredients together and we are going to mix well. So completely blend the 3 together. Now once this is done, guys, this is it. This is your natural homemade facial wash that will help to clear the skin of hyperpigmentation, brighten the skin, shrink large pores, and give your skin a natural glow. Now to use this remedy, guys, you're simply going to take a cotton pad or even a wash rag, pour a little on it and just use it to wash your face like you're using liquid soap. Now this can be used on your skin every day. For those of you with oily skin, this is an amazing remedy for your oily skin. Another thing that you can do with this remedy, guys, is that you can take a little bit of your regular facial cleanser. You can tip a little bit of this in it and use it to wash your face, especially oily skin and acne prone skin and those of you with large pores. Now store this in your refrigerator for up to about 7 days. When it is finished, make a new batch. And guys, give this a go. You will be glad that you stumble upon this recipe, especially if you're looking for younger, fresher, brighter, clearer, radiant, glowing skin.